5 JVC, and welcome to your fabulous hotel apartment. 4 bedrooms. This is a penthouse like no other, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So check this out. So we're walking into the main living area. Here is your dining area and kitchen. It is absolutely enormous, this apartment. It is 5,500 square foot. Imagine that. So if we have a look around here, let's go out to the most important part. Well, it was for me anyway, and I know it will be for you. So look at this swimming pool. This is your private infinity pool. Look at it. And check out this view, guys and girls, because we are over 50 floors high here at the 5. This is the very famous circular building here, looking out as far as the eye can see. You can see Dubai Marina in the distance and the beach. And in fact, this unit we're actually videoing is not the exact unit for sale. It's exactly like this, but that unit is completely booked up. And that's why this is such an incredible investment, because they're always booked out for people coming to stay for the weekends or the week, to come and have like a gathering. We have lots of people that fly in from all over the world to do a retreat here as well. So this unit is actually facing towards JVC and the marina, but the actual unit I have for you, guess what? It's better, because as well as everything you see behind me, it also has the Burj Khalifa and the Burj Al Arab view, no less. Imagine. So here we go. Here's your amazing views, and that's all your terrace as well. And I just love this swimming pool. It's absolutely fabulous. Now, if you come around here, you've got a lot of outside space because it's all about barbecues, entertainment. So this is perfect for you if you want to have a lot of guests here, do meals and parties and get-togethers. So you've got all this extra space and a fire exit. And then if you have a look around here, look how massive this is. This is your terrace area in total. Okay, absolutely massive. So let's have a walk inside and check out the 4 bedrooms. Now, because these are so in demand, I've literally run in here for a 10-minute gap before the next guests arrive. So excuse me if you see them cleaning up around us, but it was just the only way I could get inside a unit to show you what we have. So if you walk in here, you've got the guest toilet here, and now we've got the 4 bedrooms. And I want to bring you first into the master bedroom. Sorry, they are cleaning around us, unfortunately, but you have to see this. So check out the master bathroom. Look at that bath. Isn't it to die for? Look at the views. It's just amazing. Absolutely superb. So sit on your bath, glass of champagne or a nice mocktail and chill. So you've got this bathroom here, and you've got toilets, and you've got a terrace, and then we've got 3 more bedrooms. I will take you to a made-up bedroom so you can actually see how it looks all tidy. So this property is in the hotel pool. So what does that mean? It means it's all managed and run for you, okay? And you see you've got the bathroom through there with the shower. And at the moment, the owner is receiving a 5% return, and the rents are expected to go up with next year because the occupancy is so high here. And I'll give you some more details in the description below. So we're in the bathroom. You can see through the shower to the bedroom, okay? So you've got 2 more bedrooms. I'm just gonna show you. They're not made up, so I do apologize if they look a bit messy. But do you know what? That's a good sign for you as an investor, because it means they're never ever vacant, which means your return is only gonna get higher and higher. And finally, the last bedroom here. So let's walk into the last bedroom. So you've got the bathroom there, and the bedroom here. And then let me see if I can struggle with this very heavy door, but I want to show you outside right the way along. Look at this, it's just absolutely amazing. So if you want more details about this 4-bedroom penthouse, which is on the market for sale, get in touch with me, like this video, press subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the description below this video gives you all the details. You've got my mobile phone, my email address. Get in touch and let's arrange you to find your perfect penthouse here in 5 in JVC. And 5 is the most Instagrammed hotel in all of Dubai. Imagine that. So if you wanted a really trendy, fancy home, penthouse, party pad, or whatever you're looking for here in Dubai, or you're just an investor wanting the best possible return, then this is ideal for you. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.